my name is Tayanan Sangob, or you can call me Opal. In EBAS will not build only your English, but they will build your confidence. So it's really nice to prepare your confidence before you join BBA, because you will get to know the environment, you will get used. I think EBAS is one chill class and it's not straight at all. So it's made me want to come to school in every day, talk with teacher and talk chill with my friends. So EBAS is quite friendly class and really chill English class to come and join. Firstly, of course, it's quite tough because I stay with my family for my whole life, and once I move here, I'm kinda miss my family too. But life in Bangkok, especially you're studying AIM2, you will not get bored at all, because AIM will have the trip to take you out, so it's not boring, and also it's make my life in Bangkok more interesting because I'm at AIM. As an EBAS student, we are sitting in there and keep seeing the other student walk past, running past. Sometimes they hold the ice to run to the wine room. It made me feel oh, they have so much fun. And I heard about the other cohort, when I was in EBAS, they have to serve a customer, and this one they got a tips. It made me feel oh, hospitality is more fun than stress, and it's changed my perspective at first too, because once I see the real thing that we study and they did, it's kind of fun. Yeah.